What if your plants look dry, weak, and lifeless even after regular watering? Sometimes the real problem is hidden deep inside the soil. This simple natural trick can help restore moisture, improve soil texture, and support healthier leaves without using expensive products. Start by taking 1 spoon of psyllium husk and sprinkle it directly into the soil around your plant. As it absorbs water, it helps the soil stay moist for longer, improves airflow near the roots, and supports stronger root activity. This works especially well for hard, dry, or compact soil. Now for prevention and regular plant care, take 1 spoon of psyllium husk and mix it into 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let it sit for a few minutes. This creates a light, natural solution that helps leaves stay fresh and supports a better moisture balance. Pour this into a spray bottle and lightly spray the leaves during the evening. If your plant is already looking sick, weak, or stressed, make a stronger recovery mix. Add 1 spoon of psyllium husk into 1 liter of water, then add 1 small cup of milk. Mix everything properly. The milk provides natural nutrients and helps support healthier leaf surfaces, while psyllium husk helps retain moisture and improve plant recovery. Spray this gently on both sides of the leaves and a little around the soil. Use this method once every 10 to 15 days and watch your plants slowly come back to life naturally. See you in the next gardening video.